this is Enderman here, and today I am going to react for this video of a Dorkly bit video that is probably going to be called If Mario Games Had Nature Documents, or should I say Mario Nature Documentary? But I'm pretty sure this is all about the Mario level games and all those enemies are becoming look like some sort of the National Geographic Discovery Channel or something BBC Earth, something like all of those animals, but it's just a parody of the nature documentary show, a program, that Mario had finally ruined this nature things going on. Okay, let's see what the video is all about, so I'm the only one reacting this video here, and see what is going on here. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Here we see the Koopa Troopa in its natural habitat. The floating bricks are ideal for avoiding predators. This is a red variety, which explains why it is walking back and forth.
There's Mario!
No, the predator has gotten it after all.
Yeah.
Here we see a Goomba.
A Goomba! Just walking this way!
You can tell from that. Oh dear.
Oh, Mario uses his star power to defeat those Goombas! Hopefully he's not going to ruin anything.
It's a unique creature taking on a rare evolutionary trait. They are peaceful, gentle...
The Koopas are flying wings, but Mario, come on, man!
Plumber, I suppose.
Yeah, definitely.
2-5 is a
Chomp chomp! Chomp chomp!
The chain chomp. A fierce predator, all others...
Oh my god, Mario's using Tanuki! Oh boy!
Under the sea, we find a...
Under the sea! The chips of the water!
Underwater. How is he throwing fireballs?
Why is he throwing fireballs? What? Oh, Mario can't screw everything!
And, for
fuck's
sake,
no!
No.
Oh, good! Thank you! The narrator will never get angry at all!
Ordinary plant.
And there's the chomp!
To protect it
Good!
From even the most deadly enemies. Oh, that is it! I quit!
Woo! Wow, Mario! You definitely let the narrator quit because she's angry about that. Because Mario just finally kept doing some things to those enemies, doing the documentary since the narrator just said. I mean, wow. That was just, wow. This is getting really hard for that time. The narrator was getting really mad and then she quit. Then Mario just kept doing this over and over again with those enemies. And that was the most craziest documentary show I've ever seen on the video game. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. It was just a random video. I was reacting to it. And, yeah, it was made by Dorkly Bits, which is a lowbrow studios, and it's probably a good one. Anyways, I'll see you soon for the video, and it's gonna be good as well. So, adios, amigos!